Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart quick fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser or launch the Instacart app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the store you want to shop from. Browse or search for the items you need using the search bar. Add items to your cart by clicking on the product and selecting the quantity. Review your cart by tapping on the cart icon at the top right corner. Make any adjustments, such as removing items or changing quantities. Once your cart is ready, click on the checkout button. Choose your delivery or pickup option. Enter your delivery address if applicable. Select your preferred delivery time. Review your order details and delivery fee. Enter your payment information securely. Confirm your order by clicking the Place Order option. Wait for your shopper to pick your items and deliver them to your door. Keep track of your order status through the app or website. Enjoy your groceries without leaving your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.